Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can uninstall Cleaner Guru app and cancel account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing right over here is that you're going to go ahead and find your Cleaner Guru app. You can see right over here. You're going to long press on it, and either device can be Android, can be an iOS. You're going to do the same, and you will find either an uninstall option or this remove app option. You can tap on that, your app will be removed. But before that, to clean out the information, you can go to settings. Once in the settings section, go to the section of storage, and then from over here go ahead, find your Cleaner Guru app, tap on it, tap on offload app and offload the app. And once you have done that, you can tap on delete app, or you're going to go ahead, go over here and long press again and tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and there we go. App has been uninstalled and cleared out. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.